It is incredibly easy to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Blueshift decentralized exchange, and this video will go through the process of doing it. All you have to do is load up the website app.blueshift.fi, choose the network that you want to connect with. In this case, I'll be connecting to the Milkomeda Algorand A1. Click on Connect Wallet, and in this case, I'm going to choose MetaMask. Now the website will load. Now this particular error message is coming up because I'm currently selected to the Cardano Milkomeda network. So in this case, I'm just going to click on Switch Network. Now a prompt comes up from MetaMask, and this tells me what it's trying to do now. So it's going to add in the Milkomeda A1 mainnet with all the necessary parameters that it needs. So I'll click Approve and then click on Switch Networks. So now what it's doing is configuring my MetaMask wallet to switch over to the Algorand A1 network. And once this reloads, it's ready to go. And there we have it. So now I can start swapping my Milk Algo tokens directly for anything else that's on the decentralized exchange at the moment. For example, Blues tokens. And there you have it. A quick, easy process, automated just about, to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Milkomeda Algorand A1 rollup. If you have any questions in regards to using the decentralized exchange, please make sure you check us out on all of our socials, follow us on Twitter, and join our community on Discord and Telegram, where you can get constant online support if you run into any issues. Happy trading.